Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only. Our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchanges when you register, on which you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. Hello everyone, I am pleased to welcome you to a new video on Shiba Inu. At the moment, we are at 916, showing mixed dynamics lately. At one point Shiba Inu dropped to 889, but then was able to rehabilitate and is now at 916. And what is the latest and most important news surrounding Shiba Inu, we will discuss with you now. So be sure to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to see more content about Shiba Inu. Here we go. So, we'll start with perhaps the most important article of the day. An article from you today on the topic of big Shiba Inu token transfers. There have been two big transfers of Shiba Inu tokens in the last 24 hours. The first of them counts 1,060,594,000,000 tokens, and the second counts 12,182,300,000,000 Shiba Inu tokens, worth 9,693,000 and 1,123,000 respectively. They were transferred to the Coinbase and OKX exchanges. The exchanges themselves have purchased such a number of tokens for future circulation in their ecosystems. Thus, Coinbase, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, purchased over 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens for future introduction into circulation. Such serious transfers, worth millions of dollars, can be explained by the fact that many exchanges are trying to take advantage of the opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu tokens for their future introduction into circulation at the best possible price. That's why, right now, when Shiba Inu is on the decline, many exchanges are buying large volumes of Shiba Inu tokens to replenish their inventory, because everyone understands that sooner or later, buyer interest will return to Shiba Inu token. For example, when Shibarium will be released. At that time, the number of transactions, of course purchases, of Shiba Inu tokens will definitely increase. And exchanges want to be definitely ready for that. Naturally, no one wants to miss the opportunity to replenish their reserves at the best possible price. In many ways, other exchanges have been influenced by Crypto.com, which recently published a report on its reserves, which shows that Shiba Inu is the second largest token that Crypto.com holds in its reserves, second only to Bitcoin. And perhaps Coinbase and many other exchanges are following exactly the example of Crypto.com by adding Shiba Inu to their reserves. And now, let's move on to the analysis of the latest price movement of Shiba Inu token and the forecast for the future from FexStreet website. In short, they immediately cite statistics that Shiba Inu has already fallen by a third for the month of November. In addition, they also mention that Shiba Inu has already broken through several key support levels, and it will only be possible to return to bullish momentum by breaking through the 1,100 level. But let's discuss it all in detail. In short, Shiba Inu is now trading above the key support level of 900. But we can recall how Shiba has fallen below that level to a low of 869 over the past few days. FexStreet stresses that the Shiba has fallen below key support levels of 1,200 and 1,100, and the recent low of 861 indicates excessive selling of this token, and exactly the same is reflected in the relative strength index. Having conducted their own analysis, analysts from FexStreet came to the conclusion that if the bearish movement continues and the bulls are unable to intercept the Shiba Inu token in their clutches, we will see a decline to key levels of 550, and then the bulls capitulate at 360. Moreover, the complete liquidation of the bearish dynamics, fully possible only when the 21-day moving average at 1,100. After that, the so long coveted target of 1,300, the achievement of which will add us to a 40% gain. The U Today website gives us a little more detail, giving us another chart of the price of Shiba Inu, which includes a moving average and a relative strength index. Let's take a closer look at it. Keeping in mind that the 21-day moving average is at over 1,100, we might also notice that the 50-day moving average is at 1,024, and the 200-day moving average at 1,079. These levels are also quite important for us because they are, so far, the resistance levels that we will have to test if we go up in the near future. In addition to that, the relative strength index is also mentioned here, which is 43.73 and is slightly below the neutral level of 50. Looking at these marks, the site today notes that even though the indicators are not the most positive, based on them, we can predict the next wave of selling token Shiba Inu. Despite this, the historical data may tell us just the opposite, because we all know and we all remember that Shiba Inu tends to take off after big failures. As an example, the Shiba Inu fell from 1,483, which it reached on August 25, to a low of 920 on October 14. Then, in late October, Shiba Inu soared to 1,500, showing a 50% gain. So, today gently hints to us that nothing is impossible. And even if the technical analysis of Shiba Inu is not very good right now, everything can change anytime. For example, the release of the long-awaited Shibarium, or whatever the announcement is, such as the approximate release date, can change everything dramatically for Shiba Inu. And, last but not least for today's article, on the topic of Shiba Inu token burning. In a nutshell, we have burned 23,823,149 Shiba Inu tokens in the last 24 hours. What's noteworthy is that we burned that entire amount, all that number of tokens, literally in one transaction, thus restoring a new record for burning Shiba Inu token in one single transaction. It's also worth noting that after conducting this burn transaction, the burn rate soared by 1,064%. The number of tokens burned in the last 24 hours exceeds the number of tokens burned in the previous day by almost 10 times. Thus, the burning of Shiba Inu tokens goes to a new level, and the fact that this happens literally on the eve of Shibarium release is a very good sign. You and I are left to guess what level Shiba Inu token burning will reach when we have some information on Shibarium, because this particular development of the Shiba Inu team is the most awaited at the moment. We are all waiting patiently for an announcement or any other information from the Shiba Inu team, but only time will tell when, in fact, Shibarium might come out. And when that time comes, the Shiba Inu ecosystem will change forever and will never be the same again. For now, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell and like it to see more Shiba Inu content. And we'll see you in the next few videos. Thank you all. Bye.